So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab, and if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So basically first step is open the console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. Now here click on I understand. Now from here basically we have to open the BigQuery. So here first step is that you can see here we have to navigate to the BigQuery and start the wait a minute, first of all open the BigQuery. Now once it is opened, here basically in this lab there is no check my progress, so just follow the way I am doing so you won't be deviated. Now from here click on add data, and from here you can see star a project by name. Now for the project name you have to come over here and just select carefully, just copy it carefully, and then you have to just paste over here and click on star. Just follow the way I am doing and you will definitely get the score. Now you have to run some of the queries, so just copy one by one. Here there are two methods. You can just paste one untitled query and run, or you can see there is a plus icon. Okay, first of all you have to copy the another query, and you can see over here once the query is complete then only run it. Now you can replace and run, or on the top there is a plus icon, you can click on plus and run it. Okay, that's how you have to complete this lab, and I will show you the other steps also, no need to worry about it. Again copy this query. Now just run each query one by one like this, paste and run. Okay, you have to just run each query one by one, and I'll tell you what you need to do next. Just run it. And here you can see we have completed this. Now here no check my score, basically the progress or any 100 points like checkpoint is here. So how you can verify that you have done this lab? You have to click on your profile icon, and from here just right click on the activities. Okay, you have to open the activities. So basically here you can see we have got some points. So now you have to wait for at least 4 minutes, total 4 minutes. So now just wait for 4 to 5 minutes and then end the lab. Okay, you will see 100 out of 100. I will show you. Then we have to just end the lab. Wait for some time, and again you will come to the activities section. Okay, you have to just check, and once it's updated to 4 or 5, you can see it will show 100. Then only you have to end the lab. Once you see 100, then end the lab and you are done with the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Okay, you can see here checkpoint we have got.